Hi, everyone. It's Jean from Gallagher Domanski. Today, I have a short video for you, a more practical video on how to possibly one way to organize your evidence that you submit to USCIS for your EB-2 NIW petition. So I'm going to share my screen and show you one way to do that. Okay, so one thing you can do is to make an exhibit list, and then to keep it simple, what I do, I have exhibit A is forms, exhibit B is identification, like your passport, bio page. Exhibit C is advanced degree professional, so you can put your diplomas or transcripts there. If you have a current letter of employment, you could possibly put that there too to show that you're in the field where you have the degree. Exhibit D is substantial merit, national importance. E, well positioned, so that's where you put all the things that show that you're well positioned, such as memberships, research, conference presentations, anything that you're going to put there. And then exhibit F is letters of recommendation and expert opinion letters. And for exhibit E, well positioned, if you're showing that you have 10 or more years of experience, then sometimes I put at my last thing under exhibit E, I put an asterisk, and then I put C exhibit F for letters showing 10 years of employment. And then exhibit G is on balance, and that's where you put your information on. If you watch my video on the third prong of Domanski, where you show that it's beneficial to the United States to waive the job offer and labor certification. So, and then after I put my exhibit list, then I do my exhibits like this. So exhibit A is forms, and I put it at the bottom at the page, so when the adjudicator is flipping through, they can see the exhibit on the bottom. So A is forms, B identification, C education, D substantial merit, national importance. E, I put the future plan, what your proposed endeavor is. It doesn't have to be in exhibit E, that's just the way I do it. And well positioned. And then F, letter of recommendation, and G, on balance. So that's just a quick practical video for you that it's not legal advice, and it's certainly not the way you have to do it. If you're working with another attorney and they do it differently, it's not wrong. It can be any way that you want to organize it. But I'm just showing you that one way that you could organize your evidence. So that's all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. And thanks for your support. We are getting a lot of subscribers lately, and I appreciate your watching the videos.